Hey paper callers, I'm Jordan Sardo with Ringba, the premier call tracking platform for paper call marketers. In this video, we're going to look at how to optimize your paper call routing. SIP routing means using voice over IP instead of a traditional phone number to connect directly to your buyer's contact center software. This results in faster connection times, better voice quality, plus the ability to seamlessly pass data in the SIP header, which all result in better conversion rates for your calls. If the buyers have the capability to accept calls via SIP, you should absolutely take advantage of this optimization tactic to get better results. Handling busy buyers and non-answered calls are a breeze when you're using your own call tracking software like Ringba. If your buyer doesn't answer the phone or the call is busy, Ringba will automatically reroute the phone call to another buyer as many times as it takes to make sure the call is connected. Unfortunately, if you're a media buyer or a publisher relying on a network's tracking, you're out of luck. Rerouting these types of calls in real time is essential to eliminating wasted ad spend, improving conversion rates, and maximizing the value of every call you generate. Routing calls based on hours of operation is really simple, but you'd be surprised how often it's overlooked. And when something is overlooked in a pay per call campaign, that's where money starts going down the drain. When configuring your routing plan and setting up your buyer's targets, make sure that you include their hours of operation, including lunchtime and breaks. Sending calls to a contact center when everyone is away from their desk eating lunch means that your calls will get dropped or go to voicemail, and that also means you, more than likely, won't be paid for the call. The good news is that it's really simple to manage. Simply request the hours of operation from your buyer and adjust your routing plans, then target accordingly. In most cases, buyers will not pay you for duplicate calls, which means you're leaving lots of money on the floor by not remonetizing your duplicate calls and routing them to a new buyer. If you're working with a network, they're most likely going to sell those duplicate calls to multiple parties on the back end, but they're only going to pay you once per caller. This is how a network maximizes their profits. But by using your own call tracking software like Ringba, you can essentially take away the ability for a broker or a network to actually make money with duplicate call routing on your dime. You can take that margin away from them without them having any idea that you're doing it. And that's a really good thing because it gives you control over your profitability. This video is brought to you by Ringba. Ringba is the call tracking platform trusted by industry-leading pay-per call companies. Connect your online marketing to your offline sales and get the data you need to drive revenue with Ringba. To learn more about how Ringba is changing the future of pay-per call, visit www.ringba.com.